Hello everyone, artist Resin Sudha here. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing fine. So today again it's a leftover resin art. Actually I made a feather tray in March ending. The same day I mixed some more resin as I was going to attempt crushed ice effect. So also some resin was left from feathers tray, so I divided the resin, and in those remaining colors I added some more resin and pearl colors. So while mixing, just keep in mind that keep scraping the sides of the glass so that no resin or hardener is stuck to side of the glass, and then they result in failure, like they don't cure properly. So just keep that in mind. So let's start with the pouring part, and you enjoy the music. So I will start with the lightest shade in this palette. Then a bit darker shade. And now white. And now the most intense color in this palette, as this is almost opaque. Now the clear resin. Now we wait for 24 hours to see the results. Later I realized that I forgot to torch this one, but somehow I got some effects, and you'll see the end results. So I still have some remainder, so I will attempt one more crushed ice effects in this diamond edged poster mold. So I'll mix some white, so I added a bit of opaque white also to make it heavier. Now Caribbean blue and plum color. I don't want the blue to be too much darker, so I'm keeping it translucent, and the plum color will be a bit on darker side. So let's start the pouring part, and you all enjoy the beautiful music. I started with the white first, then the blue color that was translucent, and then the plum color, as I wanted to see how different would be the results. As usual, I forgot to touch the resin. Let's move towards the molding part and see how the results came out.
Let's see how it turned out, because the mold was empty still, and I don't know what effects I got. Although I've been attempting crushed ice effects, but still haven't managed to get. Okay, another big fail, as white just pour everything, and this is the back side. So I'll do something in this. I have got some effects in center, but the white needed to move a bit more. So yes, another fail, but I love this side. It's the leftover resin pour, and I had poured it in crushed ice effects pour style. So let's see how the coil pigments have reacted and what effects they have made. So are you ready? Okay, this is back side. Oh my god, this is insane. This is really beautiful. I hope you all can see the effects in it, and it's crazy. It's really beautiful. Although it doesn't resemble to any of the effects, but it's really beautiful.
Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day.
I'm just so in love with it.